Welcome to 99 Windle Road at Brassall. Today we're having a look at our new property, a 3-bed Colourbond house, so quite different to your usual homes. It's Colourbond and cladding. It's on a very private block, so there's your driveway access, and it actually overlooks the Brassall bikeway, so not blocked in, really a nice outlook. The front patio area here really doubles as a carport as well, so you can park a car there, or it's your entertaining area. Okay, inside our living area is all tiled and open plan. Great space there and lots of light. Security screens, of course. And outside the patio area. Kitchen has good pantry space, good fridge space, and a wall oven. Front door and hallway that leads to all your bedrooms. So the property was repainted inside in 2020. This is your master bedroom. Bedroom 3 with built-in robes. And bedroom 2, also with built-in robes. Really lovely bright bathroom, separate tub, separate toilet and separate laundry. Loads of linen space, and that then leads out to the backyard. The carpet was also replaced in 2020, so there is new carpet right through. And back to our living area. It is really neat, very tidy, terrific tenants in here. Please give me a call if you would like to have an inspection, and we'll be happy to get you through.